Burnishing PC9. In this video, we're going to show you how to get a light gray on steel. And this is cold rolled steel that we're sanding with a 180 grit orbital sander, but this will work for hot rolled steel as well if you want to, say, blend in the welds or the grind marks to kind of make it look like that mill scale still. This will work. We're just going to show you that in a different video. So here's the Sculpt Nouveau metal cleaner and a Scotch-Brite pad. And this is the normal cleaner and cleaning steps that you'll see in most of our videos. So now we'll go in with the PC9, which is a 75% ratio, which means 75% PC9 and 25% distilled water. And you can see I'm just spraying it on here, and you can Scotch-Brite it in, you can roll it on, however you get it on the metal. Most of you know that the PC9 will just react to the steel. I like to go in with a Scotch-Brite pad now, and this will help me get a more even, kind of smoother patina. If you want a mottled patina, you don't need to Scotch-Brite. And I only Scotch-Brite on this first step. And sometimes I'll use the green, sometimes I'll use the dark gray. They both work pretty well. Even the maroon will work pretty well. But essentially go in a circular pattern. If you want more of a brushed finish, then you can go in kind of more of a linear pattern. But I like the circulars. Again, we're going for that kind of smooth and even patina finish. So if I do the Scotch-Brite on the first coat, I usually do a second coat. And I've already done that here, and you can see we've got kind of a nice gray, but it's a little darker than I like. So I'm going to burnish it with the 4/0 steel wool to get it come in a little bit lighter. So here's our 4/0 steel wool that we'll be using, and you can see the 4/0 is represented by the 4 zeros. So 0 means 0 in this case, and the trick to this is keeping the surface wet. And you can do dry burnish. It's fine. It just comes up a little scratchy for my taste, so I just try and keep the surface nice and wet. And the nice thing is you can move right from neutralizing and rinsing the patina to burnishing it. So it's kind of nice that you don't have to dry it and then re-rinse it and everything like that. So I just keep it wet and I just burnish it. And I'm trying to keep it stable here for you guys, but essentially I just pull it back. And you know, the harder you are on it, the more abrasive you are, the more that comes off. And essentially, the lighter you are with it, the lighter the patina will be. So this is really good at getting those blemishes out if you have some darker spots or whatnot, and really just ending up with a soft patina finish. After you burnish, you'll want to rinse it with water because you got to get all those steel particles off from the steel wool. So here we'll go in with our clear guard, and this is just as normal. You can do clear guard, Everclear, Smart Coat, it all works just fine. And here we have our final burnished PC9. You can see it's a very light and nice smooth finish. PC9 is available at www.sculptnouveau.com.